All right, that weather impact alert is going to be for your Easter weekend. Today, not too bad throughout most of the day. It's going to be cloudy. We're seeing a little bit of sunshine out there right now, but that cloud coverage is going to increase throughout the day today. It's going to be warm and windy, though, back up into those upper 70s, low 80s across northwest Arkansas, across the River Valley into those mid 80s once again for today. Again, another windy day. We're going to see those wind gusts anywhere between 30 up to 40 miles per hour coming up from the south. That's going to help boost our afternoon highs. It can be annoying after a while, so those winds just strong once again for today. Of course, going into late this evening, that's when those rain chances start to pick back up. Weather impact alert for us for Saturday going into your Easter Sunday morning. What does that mean for you? Well, some strong storms, some severe storms could be possible over the next couple of days because of the consistency of seeing a lot of that rainfall throughout the weekend. That's going to lead to some localized flooding, generally thinking anywhere between 2 up to 4 inches of rainfall would be possible. Again, late this evening, overnight into our Saturday, that's going to be the first chances that we have for maybe some strong storms. We have that level 2 slight risk across northwest Arkansas, parts of the River Valley. The main concerns of that would be some strong winds, maybe even some small hail as well. Futurecast shows us this. By the time we get to this evening, some scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but a bulk of that system doesn't come in until we get to the overnight hours going into early on Saturday morning. And there we can see some embedded thunderstorms. Again, producing some of those stronger winds. Maybe have a warning over the weekend is possible as well. Pretty much every day we have that level 2 slight risk for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Going into your Saturday, heavy rainfall continues throughout most of the day. Few embedded thunderstorms as well. But again, it all depends on how far south that front is going to sag. Parts of northwest Arkansas, we could see some very heavy rainfall. But parts of the River Valley, if we don't see that front sag further enough south, maybe going to be just seeing those scattered showers, maybe a few isolated thunderstorms. Those rainfall accumulation would be far less as a potential across the River Valley, so we'll have to wait and see for that. We have that level 2 slight risk for Saturday across northwest Arkansas and the River Valley, even painted there for our Sunday as well. That front is going to escape up towards the north. Cold front moves in, and along that leading edge, we could see some of those stronger winds as well, even for your Easter Sunday. So here's a look at your weekend forecast. It's not great for the holiday, thinking we're going to be seeing some heavy rainfall, some strong storms as well, pretty much throughout our Saturday and going into our Sunday morning as well. Across the River Valley, yes, those daytime highs still into the 70s, but more than likely going to see a lot of rainfall picked up this weekend. That's why we have that flood watch issued all the way out until Sunday. That's for anywhere between, again, 2 to 4 inches of rainfall being picked up this weekend. Northwest Arkansas over the next 7 days looks like this. Weather impact alert for us for our Saturday and our Sunday as well. Again, that's going to be going for the chances of some strong to severe storms, but also the chances of some very heavy rainfall as well. By the time we get to Monday, this all clears up, at least for a day, because by the time we get later on into the week, that's when we have those thunderstorm chances back into the forecast. Across the River Valley today, again, warm, windy, lots of cloud coverage as well. By the time we get to this weekend, again, it's not going to be a complete washout all weekend long, but more than likely, we're going to be seeing some of those strong storms consistently for Saturday and going into Easter.